Hello family, welcome back to another exciting video. On today's video I'm going to be making donuts. The recipe is from Food and Life with Soni. Guys, this recipe is from Food and Life with Soni. Check her channel out. She have an amazing videos on food. Okay guys, without wasting any time, let's get into this video. Before I forget, all the new subscribers are welcome. First of all, I will be introducing my ingredients to you. I have 6 cups of flour in there, then 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water inside the cup. Then I'll go ahead and measure half butter, as you can see. Then go ahead and measure 2 tablespoons of yeast and 8 tablespoons of sugar. All this I will be using to mix the flour. Then I'm go ahead to measure half teaspoon of vanilla extracts for flavor. Then I went and set aside 1 cup of flour, which will be used on my working surface. Then now I'm just going to mix all ingredients together, the dry and the wet ingredients. I will just going to mix them together. After that, I will add my butter to it and knead thoroughly until all dough is well incorporated. Keep watching guys as I continue. Make sure you don't blink, you don't skip, so that you don't miss any step. Okay guys, keep watching.
At this point, the dough was heavy in my hands. I guess I measured too much quantity. Like Soni actually measured 3 cups while I was working with 6 cups. So as I was working with 6 cups, it was really hurting my hands. So I advise that when you are doing yours, do a little quantity at a time, since you are doing it manually, except you are doing it with a mixer, so you can measure as much quantity as your mixer can take. So I continue doing it while it hurts my hands so bad. So guys, I actually measure ×2 of what Sonia measured, because I just wanted to make the dough one time, make it as a large quantity, so I don't have to come back next time doing this. That is how I continue kneading until all dough is kneaded, is well incorporated. Okay guys, keep watching as you see me knead. As I'm kneading, I'm adding some flour to the working surface so that the dough will not stick to the countertop. Continue. At this point, if you have not subscribed to me, please endeavor to hit that subscribe button. Hit the post notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload. Like this video, it helps YouTube to recommend my video to a larger audience. Drop your comments, drop your recommendation, observation, anything you notice I'm not doing well, drop it for me. I'm open, I'm ready to receive it guys. Do not hold back your comments, please. Okay guys, as I continue kneading, the dough becomes soft, was becoming fluffy and soft, and it was much more easier for me. Guys, do not mind the messy environment. Guys, do not mind the messy environment. If you are a cook or a baker, this is how your working surface should be. Okay, then I continue kneading. Knead all the flour in the working surface into the dough until everything is well mixed. I continue kneading. While I'm kneading, I'm adding some flour to it so that it will not be sticky to the surface. Now I divided the dough into two parts so that it will be easier for me to knead.
I have made meat pie before with this kind of dough, but I haven't do the donut. So this video comes out well, I'm going to post it. If this video did not come out well, I'm still going to post it guys. It's not only when you succeed that you should share. So when you don't succeed, you still share to people. This is exactly what I'm going to do in this.
So this is me adding some flour to the bowl before placing the dough into it so that the dough will not stick to the bowl. So I'll do the same to the other bowl. Sprinkle some flour and place the dough. Cover the flour with the fork and towel and place it in the one place for 1 hour for it to double its size. As you can see, this is after 1 hour. The dough has doubled its size because the yeast have acted on it, guys. So I'm just going to deflate the dough by punching into the center so as to remove air bubbles before kneading and cutting into different shapes. As you can see, I'm just kneading so that I can start cutting into shape. I'll be cutting into different shape like love shape, star shape, round shape. So guys, keep watching as you see me cutting into shape. I also cut into different sizes, small, medium, large sizes, so that you can get any size that you want, guys. Continue watching. So I continue kneading and cutting into different shape until all dough is being cut into shape and sizes. At this point, as I was cutting, I was not patient enough to just cut and set it aside one after the other. I wanted to do it at a time. Watch, guys, how I did it at a time, and it was a flop, guys. So I advise, when you are doing your own, when you cut, take it out. Don't do it the way I did. Keep watching and see what I'm talking about. You see, after cutting, look at what I was doing, trying to get it out at the same time, and it was a fail, as you can see. So I said that as I got another dough to do it the same way. You see the small ones I'm cutting, I did not trash this. It was a different shape entirely, smaller shape. So since I had the failed one of cutting it, so I got it another dough, kneaded it, then got it out. As I cut, I got it out, then cut, I got it out. That was how it was for me, because I think the yeast make it to attract back. If you don't get it out, it makes it attract back if you do it the same time. Continue watching as I finish cutting this is me cutting into round shape. Yeah, I cut into round shape, then make a hollow into it. This is first batch of the shape. Here I decided to recreate one of Sonia's shape she made, the one she made. So I tried, and it was a bit successful. It was not as easy as I watched, but I was able to recreate it. Yeah, at this point I was so excited that at least I was able to do this. Then I set them aside, all of them aside, then get the fry pan ready and the oil. Make sure the fry pan is heated, the oil is heated to some point. Make sure the fry pan, the oil is hot before you start placing the dough into it, the donut into it. Then fry and at medium heat. So at this point my husband was eyeing this donuts. Then I have to chase him out of the kitchen because he did not help me when I was doing the work. When the food was ready, he showed up. Then I chased him out. Sorry for the break in transmission. So you have to allow the donut to fry at a medium heat. Flip the dough over. Allow the other side to be fried until golden brown and get them out of the oil. As you can see, it is already getting attractive, appetizing, inviting, and all of that. Then I continue frying until all dough is fried. Keep watching, guys. At this point, I have finished frying all donuts, guys. I always deliver. Look at this. It was so appetizing, guys. It was so attractive, yummy, salivating. Name it. Add your own name, guys. I always deliver. I am the chef, guys. Oh my God. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my channel and keep supporting my channel. Also check out my other cooking video like the puff, the ground beef puff, the meatball pasta, eggplant sauce, ogbono soup, mackerel fish sauce, pepper soup, chickpea sauce, shawarma, jollof rice, puff, and all of that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.